the toner cartridge. It's compatible with the Brother TN850 toners. Really nice item here. I'm a repeat buyer of this brand. I have a Brother printer. I have the all-in-one, the MFC version. That's the one that does the scanning, the copying, the printing, the faxing. And I'm very happy with this. It's a direct replacement. It's drop in, just plug and play. No issues with these at all. Like I said, a repeat buyer of these. I'd pick these up in a 4-pack. You get a tremendous amount of pages. Very consistent with the OEM ones. Just really like this brand here. They do a really great job. Really good print quality. Like I said, consistent with the Brother cartridges. Fits anything that the TN850 fits. It's going to fit in there. So it'll fit in the single print. I believe it's like a HL model, the DCP models, that's the mid-level all-in-one. But again, I have the MFC, that's the larger all-in-one printer, and it just works. It's fabulous. It's very happy with these. You get a lot of value for them. I like the fact that you get 4 toners in one box, so you don't have to keep stocking up on it. And I noticed the print count, it's very consistent with the Brother OEM cartridges. So you're going to get a lot of value out of these, and you're going to get a lot of prints. Highly recommend checking these out. They come packaged really nicely. Each one is wrapped in a yellow bag. It's got styrofoam in there, so it's shipped very securely and just prints really well. It's like, again, just drop it right in and you're good to go. So definitely want to check these out. It's the 4-pack of the compatible TN850 toner cartridges. Highly recommend this one.